Today we'll talk about interface between the IM and WM. How inventory management moment type is linked to the warehouse management moment type. Inventory management moment type is linked to the warehouse management moment type through a reference moment type. You can see the system, uh, SPRO, logistics execution, warehouse management, interface, inventory management, defined moment type. Double click on here. Here you can say this is the IM moment type. Okay, this is the reference moment type. Okay, now 101 quantity update and the value update moment type B. Okay, that means that this is the material PO. If you are receiving a material PO, okay, if your plant is a WM enabled, then this IM moment type. Okay, this IM moment type is linked to the reference moment type. Okay, you can see any PO. Any document. Take this document. You can see the good receipt is been done. So you can check the WM data here. Okay. So this is the WM moment type. And this one is the IM moment type. It is linked through a reference moment type. Okay. Now, see, this is for the GR you are doing for the assets. Now, this you do not want WM to be enabled for this particular moment type, but for this particular scenario, then you can maintain 999. Okay, any moment type or any goods which you are receiving in a WM enabled plant, and some goods you do not want to WM to be activated, or it should not go to the WM for such a scenario. Okay, you can have the moment type 999. Say, for example, account assignment PO. Okay, the PO, and you do the good receipt for such plant which is the WM enabled, then you don't want that to be updated in your WM. Then in such cases, you can have the moment reference moment type 999. Okay. So for example, if you create a asset PO, you create a consumption PO, you create any sales out PO with the with the reference to your sale order, project stock, sale order stock. You don't want WM. If you don't want WM means you receive in 101 is the AM moment type. If your reference moment type is 999, you mentioned, then it will not go to WM. Okay, that is the main point here. Okay, so IM moment type is linked to WM moment type by a reference moment type. If you are any IM moment type is, if your reference moment type is 999, then you are not connecting to the WM moment type. You are not connecting to the WM. Okay. If you do not, if you do not want to connect inventory management moment type to the WM, you must assign the reference moment type as 999. So this means the posting activity with the moment type do not have any consequences for the WM moment type. Even if you affected the storage location is subjected to the warehouse management. And an example is good receipt, posting an account assignment or consumption material. Okay, consumption indicator is weak. Okay, this one. For this, if you mention 999, it will not have any consequences of the W. Okay, that is the main point here. So here, actually, we created the next step. Now, this is the IM moment type. We link it to the reference moment type. Then again, here, reference moment type is has to be linked to the WM moment. Okay, reference moment type has to be linked to the WM moment. Okay. So we created a WM moment type, which is 901. Okay. And reference moment type 101. And this is the WM moment type 901. So if you link it and you mention this special moment indicator Z, and this is the control for the TR creation, this is the control for the TO creation, and this is for the mail control. Okay. That means you're creating the TO as soon as you receive it. Okay. And you are linking this WM moment type to the reference moment type. This reference moment type is linked to the IM moment. Okay. Here. So this is the main interface between the WM and IM. Okay. So how this moment type appears here, and this moment type is a WM moment type, don't mistaken. This is the IM. Okay. See, we created the moment type, which is the WM moment type, and which is linked to the IM moment type 101. Okay. If you want some material to be placed and TR and TO and its confirmation to be automatically should happen or immediately should happen, not automatically, the immediately should happen. Then you can create a WM moment type and you link to that WM moment type to the reference moment type, and that particular reference moment type is linked to the IM moment. Okay. Then that special stop indicator, what you are mentioning here. Okay. Special stock indicator, what you're mentioning here, this one you need to mention in the material master view, WM view 1. Then what will happen? The moment you receive the goods, the stock will update in the WM as I shown in the last class. Okay. This is the scenario. Okay. So please understand the interfaces between WM and IO. Okay. Now next I will tell you what is the control over here. Why it is storage bin is it is giving the PO number, and this is the interim storage type is appearing, and this is the moment type we created in the. So let's see how you created the WM moment type, and go to the activities here. Okay. Now here requirement type is okay. Requirement type. Logistics execution, warehouse management, transfer, activities, transfer, requirement type. Click. So what is your requirement type? The requirement type is B. Okay. Then purchase order number you are mentioning here. Okay. So requirement type is B. Purchase order number you're mentioning here. That means you're mentioning this purchase order number as the interim storage bin. Okay. So that is the reason when you do the good receipt, interim this storage bin is considered as a PO number. Okay. So this particular requirement type B is responsible for the storage, interim storage bin. Okay. Now this you will mention this requirement type in the WM moment type. Select your WM moment type, warehouse number WM2, moment type 901, enter. Double click on this. You can say the requirement type B, that means purchase order. So this purchase order has to be is your storage bin. Then your requirement type should be purchase order. Okay. Then your interim storage here 902. Therefore, here interim storage type is given 902. Okay. Moment type 901. Got it? Now TO confirm immediately and propose confirmation. These two checkbox if you select, then the moment you receive it, TR will be TO will be created immediately. Okay, not only that, and it will confirm. Okay, it will confirm. So this is the control of IM and WM interface, and this is the control of the requirement type as well as the moment type of WM. Okay. So this is what we have done in the last class. The fixed bin scenarios. This is the configuration, okay, for the transfer order, immediate transfer order and confirmation. Now, if you want to create automatic transfer order, then you have to run this report. Okay, once a transfer requirement is created, run this report in the background. Automatically, system will create a transfer order. Okay, the reports open TO is LT23. LT23. So if the TR is created and TO is not done, you'll get this report. Now there is no only open TO. I selected, that's why no output. All TO means confirm TO also you need. You can get like this. Okay, just execute. We'll get this like this. Okay. This is all confirmed TOs. LT23 and open TRs LB13. Okay. So this is about the interface between WM and IM. Okay. This is very important topic. Okay. Here you need to remember one thing, the scenario. If you are creating the material you want a WM transaction to be happen, then 101 movement type, reference movement type 101, WM movement type also 101, or you create your own movement type in WM, you can link it. You do not want some WM consequences, then inventory management has to be linked with the reference movement type 999. That's all. Then once you receive it, it will not have any WM transactions consequences of stock updation or anything and the debt. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.